Good afternoon. Today we will see about the basics of internal combustion engines. There are basically two types of engines called internal combustion engines and external combustion engines. What it means, the combustion of the fuel takes place within the system, within the piston cylinder arrangements, then it is called the internal combustion engine. If the combustion takes place outside the piston cylinder arrangement and the burnt fuel or burnt steam is taken away from the system and it is supplied to the piston cylinder arrangement, then it is called external combustion engines. Okay, here see, this is 4-cylinder engine. Okay, 4-cylinder engine. Here the crank is rotating and the piston moves upward and downward, top dead center and bottom dead center. Topmost position is called top dead center, the bottommost position is called bottom dead center, and cylinder is moving to and fro. It is reciprocating motion. The rotary motion of the crank is converted into the reciprocating motion. And classification of IC engines, that is internal combustion engine, is based on the type of fuel, whether petrol is used or diesel is used, petrol engine or diesel engine. Then method of ignition, that is spark ignition or spark ignition or compression ignition. Okay, SA engines or CA engines. Then number of strokes, 2-stroke engine or 4-stroke engines. Then cycle of operation, cycle of operation. Then speed of engines, high speed engine, medium speed engine, low speed engine. Then cooling systems அப்படின்னா whether water cooled or air cooled. Then number of cylinders, single cylinder or 4-cylinder, or according to the number of cylinders. Then that is called components of engines. What are all the components? Cylinder head, piston, connecting rod, piston rings, crankshaft, crankcase, flywheel, etc. Okay, then construction, it consists of cylinder, piston assembly, connecting rod, crankshaft, cylinder head, crankcase, inlet, exhaust valves, fins for the cooling purpose. Every engine should be cooled fastly, then only the ignition takes place and the running of piston will continue working. There are four types of strokes are there. First one is suction stroke. During the suction stroke, the pressure difference exists and inlet valve opens and the charge means the petrol and fuel mixture is sucked into the cylinder. Piston moves from TDC to PDC. So volume increases, automatically the pressure decreases. So due to the low pressure, it sucks the charge. Then compression stroke. In the compression stroke, inlet and exhaust valves are closed. Piston moves from PDC and TDC, and pressure and temperature of the charge increases, and the crankshaft rotates 360 degree. One cycle of rotation is completed. Okay, in the first suction stroke, half revolution of the crankshaft is completed. In the next stroke, from BDC to DDC, the second half revolution is completed. So 360 degree of revolution is completed. Then third one is expansion stroke. In the expansion stroke, charge is ignited by spark plug before the piston reaches TDC. Sudden increase in temperature due to the ignition ஆகிறபோது என்ன ஆகும், there will be a sudden blast of combustion of fuel takes place and the pressure and temperature of the charge and is increased to a very large amount, huge amount, due to the the power stroke or working stroke happens. That pushes the piston in the downward direction due to the high pressure. High energy transforms to mechanical energy. Piston moves from TDC to PDC. Crankshaft rotates third of revolution, that is 540 degree. Both inlet and exhaust valves are closed, and at the end of the stroke exhaust valve opens. And fourth stroke is exhaust stroke. For exhaust stroke, the piston moves from BDC to TDC, and the burnt mixer leaves away from the exhaust from the cylinder through the exhaust valve. Okay, cars, jeep, aeroplanes are the example for the four-stroke engines. Okay, construction. It consists of cylinder and piston assembly, connecting rod, crankshaft, cylinder head, crankcase, inlet and exhaust valve, fins. Okay. See the diagram. In the first stroke, the piston moves in the downward direction, the volume increases, inlet valve opens, and charge is taken inside the piston cylinder arrangement. And in the second stroke, upward stroke, the inlet valve closes, the piston moves in the upward direction, the charge is compressed. At the end of the compression stroke, the charge is ignited with the help of the spark plug, and due to that pressure increases and piston moves in the third stroke in the downward direction. And fourth stroke, the piston moves from the bottom to top dead center, and the exhaust valve opens and the burnt gases leave away through the exhaust port. Okay. This is called valve timing diagram. Valve timing diagram that indicates exactly where the inlet valve opens, where the exhaust valve closes, where the spark produces, etc. in a circular diagram. Okay. This is exactly what happens. Four-stroke petrol engine, inlet valve opens 10 to 20 degree before TDC. Okay, அதாவது ரீச் பண்ணுறதுக்கு முன்னாடியே என்ன ஆகுது, அது வந்து ஓப்பன் ஆகுது அப்படிங்கிறாங்க. அதாவது டிடிசி ரீச் பண்ணுறதுக்கு முன்னாடியே. அதே மாதிரி இன்லெட் வால்வ் க்ளோஸ் 30 to 40 degree ஆஃப்டர் பிடிசி. Okay, see the diagram and see the degree that changes from four-stroke petrol engine to the diesel engine. Okay. This is what happens exactly in the engines. Two-stroke petrol engines, the degrees are somewhat different. Two-stroke diesel engine also, the degrees are somewhat different. Combustion in SI engines. In the SI engine called spark plug engine, homogeneous mixture of air and fuel is formed by the carburetor. The air-fuel mixture is compressed up to compression ratio 8 to 12%. Mixture is ignited by spark plug. That's all about the basics of four-stroke engine working and two-stroke engine combustion. Okay, thank you.